How to block title in your Netflix account on your Netflix application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in Netflix homepage, you can see here the profile. So okay, for my example, I change the Richard profile. So I change it. Okay, to do that, you'll have to tap the edit button on the upper right side on your screen. And now you can see the pencil icon per profile. So okay guys, tap the pencil icon. You want to change these settings on this profile. So okay, and after that, tap the viewing restriction. Here you can see the block titles. And okay, this settings set into no titles block. Okay, so for my example, I block the title. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the block titles here. And now you can see here the box. You can search the title or enter a TV show or movie name. So for my example, I enter the title of this show. So Lost. So okay, I remove or block this title Lost on my Netflix account on this profile. So okay guys, that's it. We have successfully blocked one title, the Lost, on this profile or Netflix account. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully blocked titles in your Netflix account in your Netflix application on your mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.